Hello students, welcome to my channel Basic Mathematics. Today we will discuss about your problems in the exercise 2B, right? Exercise 2B रे जो सब problem अछि आज सेगुडा सब आमे डिस्कशन करिबा आमे ए पर्यंत सेट थ्योरी पार्ट टा सारिचे देखिबा एमे सब प्रॉब्लम गुडी का प्रॉब्लम नंबर 1 exercise 2b of elements of mathematics, right? Exercise 2b of elements of mathematics, right? Number 1, an examination was conducted in physics, chemistry and mathematics. If PCM denote the respectively the set of students who passed in physics, in chemistry and mathematics, express the following sets using union, intersection and difference symbols, right? See who J M is the P be the set of students passed in physics. गोटे एग्जामिनेशन हला कोथरे फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री एंड मैथमेटिक्स p p denote the set of students passed in physics. Similarly c be the set of students passed in chemistry and m be the set of students passed in mathematics, right? So number 1 a question, if this is the case, suppose set of candidates who passed in mathematics. Acha, suppose you see PCM, this is, you take the help of your Venn diagram. Suppose this is your P and this is C. कहीं ना फिजिक्स रे पास करथिबा पिला केमिस्ट्री भी पास हेतिबे, राइट? तेणु किछ कॉमन थिबो निश्चय. सिमिलरली मैथमेटिक्स, राइट? दिस इज फिजिक्स सेट ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स passed in physics, this is the set of students passed in mathematics, chemistry, and this is the set of students passed in mathematics. Now the question, this is the general idea, right? किछि पिला केवल फिजिक्स रे पास करथिबे, किछि पिला फिजिक्स एवं केमिस्ट्री पास करथिबे, किछि पिला फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री मैथमेटिक्स रे पास करथिबे, किछि पिला केवल मैथमेटिक्स रे पास करथिबे, ई बळे, राइट? ए देखिबा ए जो पिला रहिले एतिकी ए पोर्शन केवल फिजिक्स रे पास कले, ए पोर्शन ता केवल केमिस्ट्री पास कले, ए पोर्शन ता केवल मैथमेटिक्स रे पास कले. ये जो कॉमन रहला फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री में कौन दीटा सब्जेक्ट रे पास कले, फिजिक्स एंड केमिस्ट्री. this area, this set of students passed in chemistry and mathematics. This part the set of students passed in both physics and mathematics. And you see this portion, the common area of all the sets, physics, chemistry and mathematics, they have passed in all the subjects, right? So let us solve the question. Yes, express the following set using union intersection. Set of candidates who passed in mathematics and chemistry but not in physics. Chemistry and mathematics रे पास करथिबा पिला को पोर्शन रा एटा, but not in physics माने एठी रहिले physics पास, तेनु एटा कटि जिवो. ताले कोन करिया हमें? Yes, it will be what? C intersection M. Set of students who have passed in chemistry and mathematics. It is A. But not in physics. Physics रे पास लबनी. तो this difference what? डिफरेंस आमे कहि परिबा p p कर देली भी हो दिस इंटरसेक्शन p difference p or simply it is c intersection m difference p intersection c intersection m भी करी हबो that is c intersection m difference p intersection c intersection m तो टोटल कॉमन जोटा सेटा बात राइट यदि कंफ्यूजन होची ये सिंबल एमती भी व्यवहार कर परिबो तमे राइट यस यूजिंग यूनियन इंटरसेक्शन एंड डिफरेंस सिंबल राइट सेट ऑफ कैंडिडेट्स हु पास्ड इन ऑल द थ्री सब्जेक्ट्स सब सब्जेक्ट रे पास करचंदी कोटा दिस पर्सन b p intersection c intersection m this area right then set of candidates who passed in mathematics only this portion c mathematics only that means m difference I mean ei periba union koini ha achi p union c m ru एगो बात करे केवल मैथमेटिक्स से पास करबे थी राइट और हमें यूज कर पे एम डिफरेंस p इंटरसेक्शन c यूनियन p इंटरसेक्शन c यूनियन p इंटरसेक्शन सॉरी भूल कुछ m intersection c m intersection c union m intersection p ये भी है जो c ए पर्सन कटि जीवो ए पर्सन कटि जीवो बस हिंदी में करियो डिफरेंस ऑफ दिस और सिंपली दिस इज वेरी सिंपल m difference p union c this one right set of candidates who failed in mathematics but passed in at least one subject failed in mathematics they are not here so passed in one subject e kon asibo dt क्या failed in mathematics mathematics रे fail हेतिबा पिला किंतु at least गोटे p union c the set of students who have passed in physics and chemistry but not in mathematics means difference of this right c e set of candidates who passed in at least two subjects it is a portion ने दीटा सब्जेक्ट अछि एठी दीटा ए रहले तीनटा जाको ताले एठी आसीबो कोन p intersection c union p intersection m union c intersection m difference p intersection c intersection m set of candidates who passed in at least two sorry not difference at least two subjects right तो तीनटा जगह पास करले भी हबो this then a set of candidates who failed in one subject only that is जोटा कहू p intersection c union p intersection m union c intersection m difference p intersection c intersection m सबथरे पास हिजनी गोटे विषय रे फेल हेदिया पिला कोठी अछंदी एठी अछंदी राइट ए अलग yes this is about question number 1 okay then we will go to question number 2 Question number 2. What can you say about the sets A, B if A union B is null set? A union B is null set. Dita set ra union ta null set. हम कौन कहबा? ता माने this implies हमें जानिचु A is a subset of null set and B is also a subset of null set. कहीं की ना हमें जानिचु A is a subset as A union B and B is also a subset of जतिकी theory पढ़ी जे सब गुड़ा का application. इनके अनुमान करी किच को ना logic जहाँ कहूँ A is a subset of null set and null set is the subset of every set. So A null set तो अब छोटो set की नहीं तो A टा तार subset माने कौन हम लिखिबा A is null and B is also null. Yes, A union B null set means both the sets A and B are null sets. Right? A union B is null. Then A symmetric difference B is null. A symmetric difference B. This is null. That means A difference B union B difference A is null. This implies कौन आसो दीटा सेट रो यूनियन null set हला ताले A difference B टा भी null set and B difference A is also null set. अच्छा A difference B null set कहीं गेला तमने A रे एमिति एलिमेंट नहीं जी की B रे नहीं. A difference B कौन the set of elements the set of elements which are present in A but not in B. तमने जो एलिमेंट गुडा को A रे अछंती किंतु B रे नाहंती से गुडा को लेके A difference भी अछि तमने एमिति किछि एलिमेंट नाही जेतु null set टा A रे एमिति कोनोसी एलिमेंट नाही जे B रे नाही ता माने इनडायरेक्टली को आउची A रो समस्त एलिमेंट B रे अछंती ताले एथुर हम कोन बुझिबा A is a subset of B and A2 कोन बुझिबा सिमिलरली B is a subset of A. तो दीटा जाकरू हम कोन पाइबा A is equal to B. When A is equal to B, when A is a subset of B and B is also a subset of A. Yes, A symmetric difference B null set means both are equal. A and B are two equal sets. Right? ये बड़े भाବରେ लॉजिक यूज करके तमे एगुडा को प्रूफ सब करो सब गुडा को. अच्छा A difference B, third one is A difference B is universe. Oh, A difference no, already I have told you. A difference B is null implies what? A is a subset of B. हमें ये सब डिस्कशन करी सकछे. अच्छा fourth one A difference B is equal to A. A difference B ता माने A रो कोनोसी एलिमेंट B रे नाहंती A रो कोनोसी एलिमेंट B रे नाहंती ता माने A intersection B is null set implies A and B are what? They are disjoint. They are disjoint, right? Yes. A intersection B is universal set. A intersection B is the universal set. अच्छा हमें जानिचु A intersection B is a subset of A and A intersection B is also a subset of B. So this implies universal set is a subset of A and universal set is a subset of B. अरे भाई universal set the largest set से रो subset माने केतेबेले possible A is equal to the universal set and B is also equal to the universal set. The universal set B रो subset माने कौन? It is equal to B. B is equal to the universal set. Otherwise you cannot be the universal set cannot be a subset of B, right? अच्छा it is fifth bit. Then sixth bit. Yes, A difference B is universal set. A difference B is equal to universal set. Oh, A difference B universal set माने निश्चित भाव रे एटा यूनिवर्सल सेट हबो काहेकि A difference B टा A रो सबसेट and B must be a null set. Null set जहाँ रहिबो सी यूनिवर्सल सेट रु सती नै गला ना तेणु A difference B आउ equal to universal set रहिबो नाही then this is possible only when A is the universal set and B is the null set. Okay. Oh, करू सब कर दे. Are difference and symmetric difference commutative? I have already proved it. Difference cannot be what? Commutative. You simply to prove this give an example. A गोटे सेट नहीं जाओ B गोटे सेट नहीं जाओ A difference B बाहर करो B difference A बाहर करो देखिबो जदि A equal to B नुहे ताले A difference B टा B difference A संगे समान नुहे. It is not commutative. But symmetric difference is commutative, right? A symmetric difference B is equal to B symmetric difference A. If B is a subset of C, is it true that A difference B is equal to A difference C? This result true? Is this result true when difference is replaced by symmetric difference? Give reason. Question number 4. Let us discuss. Okay. Question number 4. B is given. What is 4? Given B is a subset of C. Is it true that A difference B is equal to A difference C? Yes. Sata ki A difference B is equal to A difference C asibo ki? No. Not always true. Jodi B is equal to C hithibo tale equal hobo. Otherwise not. Or this is possible only when you see A intersection B is null set and A intersection C is also null set. It's possible only when A intersection C is null set. काहेकि A रा कौनसी एलिमेंट C रे रहइबनी तेणु A difference C टा कोन आसबो A आसबो. Similarly जेतु B टा C रा सबसेट A intersection C null set माने A intersection B भी null. So it भी आसबो equal to A. अच्छा, but this is not its question. ऐसे कोची if B is true that A difference B is no. It हमारा आंसर आसबो no. But not in general. But it is not true in general. Beta zero subset कहेगी ना suppose here कौन आसबो A difference C will be a subset of A difference B. एटा कहेगी ना X belongs to A difference C implies X belongs to X belongs to A and X does not belong to C. अच्छा C टा गोटे बड़ा सेट C B टा होची गोटे छोटो सेट ता भीतर अछि C रे नाही माने B रे रहइबो कि नो this implies X belongs to A and X does not belong to B. this implies X belongs to A difference B. So A difference C is a subset of A difference B. आसीगला किंतु इक्वल केते हो A difference B जेतले A difference C it give an example. What example ले जाओ. Suppose but A difference B is not a subset of A difference C in general. For example, let A नवा में A B C D E F, B नवा C D H G, C D H नहीं C D H, C नवा C D E H. Here B is a subset of C. B is a subset of C. Now A difference B बार करवा. A difference B is equal कोण आसीबो A B E F, C D एठी अछि रहइबनी. तापरे A difference C कोण आसीबो C D E कटि जिवो A B F. You see here A difference C is a subset of A difference B, but A difference C is not equal to A difference B. So it is not equal in general. Equal आसीबो नहीं. तो एठी आंसर लिखबो तुमे नो. It is not equal. Why? Because B is a subset of C. A difference C is a subset of A difference B. But we cannot say that A difference B is a subset of A difference. Thank you. This example gives us the conclusion that A difference B cannot be equal to A difference C. Okay. Yes. Is this result true when difference is replaced by symmetric difference? B जेतले C रो सबसेट सेतले सिमेट्रिक डिफरेंस सेतले आसी जिवो. हमें एठी देखिबा एठी हम लेइचु A डिफरेंस B बार करचु, A डिफरेंस C बार करचु. बतन B डिफरेंस A जदी बार करिबा B डिफरेंस A, B डिफरेंस A रे कोन आसीबो H, C डिफरेंस A रे कोन आसीबो C difference A, C D E जिवो H, C H केवल रहइबो. राइट. तेनु A symmetric difference B, that is A difference B union B difference A कोन हला A B E F H, A B E F H. आसीगला. Sorry. This is now A symmetric difference C. This is A difference C union C difference A. You see, you have to give the region, right? Yes. A difference C. A difference C is ABF. ABF. Sorry. C difference A. B difference A. C difference A is H. A B E F H. It is A B F H. Here, so A symmetric difference B is not also equal to A symmetric difference C. They are also not equal. They are not equal, right? Is this true when even no? So it is also not true, right? Okay. So if difference is replaced by symmetric difference, then also it is not true. Okay. Then question number 5, prove the following. A through maximum mu कर दीजिए. हैला कर देची तमे रेस्ट कर दियो बुढ़ाई ही सरलानी नंबर 6 क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 रो प्राय गुड़ाई करछि मु प्रूव ऑल द रिजल्ट्स ऑफ द सेक्शन 1.131 that are stated without proof ये सब हमर भी हे जाइछ क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 I have done it then 8 number prove that cardinality of A union B union C is equal to cardinality of A plus cardinality of B plus एटा cardinality करकी करबो disjoint set करकी तार union नला आसो हेलो क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 if X and Y are two sets such that X union Y has 20 objects, X has 10 objects and Y has 15 objects. Y has 15 objects. How many objects does X intersection Y have? Right. Okay. Yes. Let us come to अच्छा एथु गोटे दिटा हम कर देउची आ सब तमे रेस्ट करबो x and y are two sets such that x union y has 20 objects x union y cardinality is 20 right you always take the help of Venn diagram right X has 10 objects cardinality of X is 10 Y has 15 objects cardinality of Y is 15 how many objects does X intersection Y X intersection Y ra cardinality kete this right अच्छा हमें कौन जानचु cardinality of x union y is equal to cardinality of x plus cardinality of y minus cardinality of x intersection y काई कहउची नहीं जो हमें जतले cardinality of x करूचु ए intersection part ता अछि पुनी cardinality of y को हला कोई intersection part ता अछि तने दीटा जाक मिसेले यूनियन रे जहा एलिमेंट अछि ता देरे आउरी अधिका एटा रहि जाउछ यूनियन मींस इट दिस यूनियन दिस बोले कॉमन एलिमेंट हम थरे लिखुछ किंतु कार्डिनलिटी लिखला लागू जेते नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स लिखुछु हम दी थरा ऐड कर देल कार्डिनलिटी ऑफ x प्लस कार्डिनलिटी ऑफ y सेति पई गोटे ए पोर्शन माइनस करा होछ सो इट इज इक्वल टू व्हाट 20 प्लस cardinality of y हला हाँ it is sorry cardinality of this is equal to 20 this implies this is 20 x is 10 it is 15 minus cardinality of x intersection y this implies cardinality of x intersection y is equal to 25 minus 20 that is 5 so cardinality of x intersection y is 5 right in a group of 450 people 300 can speak Hindi suppose a group of 450 250 Hindi, sorry, 300, 250 English. How many people can speak both Hindi and English? Similarly, this is a group of people. This is a group of people. Suppose it is Hindi. This is English. Right. So in a group of 450 people. So cardinality of Hindi union English is equal to 450. Total people are 450. Right. 300 can speak Hindi. तामने हिंदी लोगों का संख्या होची 300 and 250 can speak English. English 250. Right. तो आ भीतर किछि लोक अछन जो माने हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश तो हमें सेम फार्मूला कार्डिनलिटी ऑफ H union English is equal to cardinality of H plus cardinality of E minus cardinality of H intersection E. What is just how many people can speak both Hindi and English? Right, like this. Same. This implies cardinality of Hindi intersection English is equal to cardinality of Hindi plus cardinality of English minus cardinality of Hindi union English. This is equal to kete 300 plus 250 minus 450. This is 550 minus 450. This is 100. এই ভଳି ভাବରେ ତମେ ସବୁଗୁଡାକ ବାହାର କର ଓକେ ତ ଏଭଳିଆ सपोज क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 रो मु एगुडा सब फास्ट रु करिछि ए 4th बीट 5th बीट 6th बीट टिके अलगा अछि मु सेही नंबर ऊपर टिके कंसंट्रेट करूछि एगुडा तमे करो क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 थर्ड बीट पर्यंत ऑलरेडी सब करा है जेछि थ्योरी पार्ट रे तमे सेटा थ्योरी पार्ट रे पाई जीवो सब let's check the other will come from the last one VI 4 number 4th A union B is equal to A union B is equal to A for all sets A for all sets A जे कौन सी सेट A रे नेले भी A union B is equal to A कौन कहूची implies B is equal to null set. Let us see it is given. This implies यदि सबु सेट पर एटा सत्य ताहले null set union B is equal to null set because it is true for all sets A. So null set union B एटा को हमें null set union B is equal to null set ए नियम अनुसार this implies null set union B is equal to kete B. B is null set. Proved. Right. Then 5th bit. A union B है universal set. A intersection B है null set. B. A union B is the universal set. And A intersection B is equal to null set. Prove the following. ताले B is equal to A complement. B is equal to A complement. अच्छा, A union B is equal to universal set. B is equal to A complement काहे की हबो ना देखिबा A is a subset of A union B. B is also a subset of A union B. तेणु A is a subset of आसीगला A intersection B तांको भितर किछ कॉमन एलिमेंट नाही राइट किछि कॉमन एलिमेंट नाही A और B भितर किछि कॉमन एलिमेंट नाही राइट तेणु कोन हबेठी सपोज B is equal to A complement let X belongs to A complement. This implies X does not belong to A. A complement रे जदि रहिला X A रे रहिबनी according to definition of complement. According to definition, yes, complement. This implies X यदि A रे नाही किंतु this implies X does not belong to A and X belongs to the universal set. It must be in the universal set. And this implies X does not belong to A and X belongs to A union B. Universal set रच माने A union B रच because universal set is U. ताले A रे नहीं किंतु A union B रची. This implies X belongs to B निश्चित भाव A union B रे रोच right then X belongs to B so A dash is a subset of B number 1 again number let Y belongs to B number X नले हबो मु टिके तमर काला कंफ्यूजन हो सेति पई Y नै जाउची Y belongs to B this implies Y belongs to A union B right as B is a subset of A union B जहा देइथिबो सेटा होची हम पई ब्रिज right this implies Y does not belong to A as A intersection B very simple you have to change not necessary Y belongs to B this implies Y does not belong to A kahi as A intersection B is null set it is null and this implies Y जदि A रे नहीं कोड रहइबो A complement रहइबो so हम कोन पाइबा so B is a subset of A complement this is double star from star and double star we have A dash is equal to B A complement of A is equal to B A will have to number 4th bit A is a subset eta korai A is a subset of B implies and implied by B complement is a subset of A complement A complement union B is equal to अच्छा एटा कोटे करते होची आरटा तमे से भलिया करिवो आमे मु करछि एटा A is a subset of B implies and implied by A complement union B is equal to the universal set okay this is the universal set right तो दीटा पार्ट प्रूफ आछो डबल इम्प्लिकेशन अछि proof let A is a subset of B So to be proved, this is equal to u. Clearly, A dash union B must be a subset of universal set. सबू सेट गुड़े यूनिवर्सल सेट रो सबसेट आ पे बाध्य. Subset, it is suppose our star. It is star. अच्छा. Now, हमें नवा X belongs to universal set. This implies X belongs to A union A complement. This कहेंगे A union A complement is A union A complement is equal to what? Universal set always. So this implies X belongs to A or X belongs to A complement. This implies X belongs to B or X belongs to A complement. कहेंगे आज A is a subset of B. Right? This implies X belongs to A complement union B. So universal set is a subset of A complement union B. This is our double star. Here this is a subset of universal set, and universal set is a from star and double star and double star. कौन पहला में A complement union B is equal to universal set. Okay. तापर हम देखिबा converse. Let A complement union B is equal to universal set. प्रमाण कौन करिबा? A is a subset of B. Now X belongs to A. पहुंचवा जाएगी B रे गुण. अच्छा का साहाଯ୍य रे एठी this implies X does not belong to A dash. ता माने X does not belong to A complement and X belongs to A complement union B, as A complement union B is the universal set. Universal set रे निश्चित रहइबो ना, तेणु A complement union रे union B रे अछि. A complement रे नाही. This implies it must be in B. A complement union B रे अछि, किंतु हमें कन्फर्म एठी नाही. A union B कोन at least गोटे सेट रहिथिबो, एठी थिबो कि एठी नाही बोले हमें कन्फर्म, ताले एठी B रे अछि. So A is a subset of B. Prove it. असला. Thus A is a subset of B implies and implied by A complement union B is equal to universal set. Okay. ठीक अच्छी. Next time we'll start Cartesian product of sets and relation. Right? Very important chapter. बर्तमान पर्यंत सेट रो समस्त क्वेश्चन प्राय मु डिस्कशन करि सारची. मु होप करूची तमे सब निश्चित भाबरे ताकू थरो हबो. थियोरेटिकल थरो ले हम जो नेक्स्ट चैप्टर पढिबा रिलेशन. देखो दीज आर द प्रिलिमिनरीज. रिलेशन, फंक्शन एंड देन लिमिट, कंटिन्यूटी. ये सब मूल जिंस ऊपर डिपेंड करूची. सेट ऊपर डिपेंड करूची. सेट डिपेंड करूची तुम्हारा मैथमेटिकल रीजनिंग. तो सब गुडा को थरो होई आस. ओके. थैंक यू ऑल. पुणी मु अनुरोध करूची तुमे परस्पर भितरे शेयर करो ए वीडियो को एवं रेगुलरली ए वीडियो देखो. तमे प्रत्येक चैप्टर रो डिटेल डिस्कशन पाइबो, एनालिसिस पाइबो. ता सहित प्रत्येक प्रॉब्लम भी एकदम एनालिटिकली सॉल्व हबो. नो प्रॉब्लम. तथापि भी जदि किछि प्रॉब्लम रहे, you follow me through Instagram or your comment box even if in Facebook, I will reply, no doubt. Okay, thank you all.